In this video, we will go through the collapsible component from Shadcn/UI. To make the library really efficient, we decided to not include this component into the Figma library. Collapsible is more like a pattern than a component, which can be reusable. Let's have a look at the official documentation. First example here is some order details. You can click the button component to expand more information about the order. When you leave the mouse out of the button area, you can see it's still highlighted. You can now click the button component again to collapse more information. Let's go to another example, which are some product details in some sort of container. Same thing here. You can click on the whole item to expand it. When you leave the mouse, the highlight remains active. The last example is padding, similar to how it works in Figma. For non-expanded container, we can assume that these inputs control vertical and horizontal padding. When you click the button component, it changes to control each side separately: left, top, right, and bottom. The button component is still highlighted when you leave the mouse. For that reasons, we decided to not include this component into the Figma library. We asked several designers and they would not use it anyway because the actual use case is not possible to define and put into component constraints.